Hi, Ted from Insureon, and today we received a terrific question from Randy in Nevada. Randy runs a restaurant, and Randy wants to know what form of insurance do I need for his restaurant firm. And Randy, how we think about that is very simply, first and most importantly, whether you talk to us or talk to somebody else, please get advice from somebody who just does and specializes in your industry, because all the nuance of a specific industry are really, really important. Like I know at Insureon, I'm just thinking it through the numbers, our restaurant desk must do 5 to 7 customers a day. So we're doing serving 20, 30 restaurant customers a week, a couple hundred a month, 1,000 a year. So, and that's all they do is restaurants, and so they're very good at understanding what risks you may need and thinking that through. But on a broad term, how we think about this is a couple things. One, you need to make sure that your property is covered, as well as some form of general liability, which is the clients that are coming to your restaurant, and is there an accident that may happen to them on site. So both your property and third-party customer risk is covered by something called the business owner's property. You need to make sure that we get you the right cover related to that, but that's an important product for your client portfolio. The second is around workers' comp and making sure that you have your employees covered in case they get hurt on the job. So that'll be an important form of coverage for you. The third is thinking through, do you have any exposure from a cyber liability perspective? You're holding a lot of customer data, and you need to be able to make sure that that data is protected. And lastly, thinking through business interruption insurance in case your restaurant is not operational because of a storm or an event, as well as one of your suppliers might not be operational. And so all of those things, in addition to more nuanced coverage like commercial auto, are things that you need to be thinking through. And frankly, all businesses of your size, I think you mentioned in your question, you've got 9 employees, all clients your size need to be thinking through property coverage and general liability, which is typically inside the BOP, professional liability, whether that's applicable, workers' comp, and then making sure things like business interruption, cyber exposure, data exposure are included or need to be added to your base coverage, and then thinking about commercial auto as well. All of those are how we go through for every individual client, thinking those exposures through, how much coverage you need and how they apply to your industry. So I hope that's helpful, and good luck in your business.